Welcome to part 2 of my 3-part series about blood test errors and flaws. This is William C. Head, criminal defense attorney from Atlanta, Georgia. Crime laboratory errors can happen with blood testing in any state crime lab or even with a private contractor that obtains a large part of its business from government contracts. These blood testing omissions, flaws, and errors aren't easy to uncover or identify. A criminal defense lawyer who has undergone training in extensive forensic laboratory blood testing and urine testing courses will know where to look and how to assess the state's marijuana evidence against you. This testing is usually done by GC-MS devices on biological samples. Other testing methods are used to analyze plant material if you're charged with marijuana possession or possession with intent to distribute. The same investigation and legal demand for production of all paperwork from the crime lab on a blood test or a urine test can help find flaws in any DUI drugs sample, whether for marijuana, cocaine, molly, or heroin. Mix-ups in marijuana blood test samples can occur due to human error or machine error. These may occur at any point in the extraction, inversion, labeling, packaging, sealing, refrigeration, and preparation for analysis stages of the blood testing process. Your criminal defense lawyer must demand proof of compliance with established lab protocols and proper scientific methods from the blood test being collected through the laboratory testing and reporting phases. Inside the lab, mix-ups can happen between blood vials, that's blood tubes, or urine containers during the pipetting stage of a portion of the blood sample or urine sample by way of placing the samples out of order or in not keeping sequence of the GC vials. Error can even occur between reported marijuana test results from different test subjects. In each marijuana drug test case, the bottom line is that the reported results are sometimes switched or misreported. Since standard operating procedure for laboratories is for virtually all these labs to conduct replicate blood testing on 2 blood test vials, your DUI lawyer or drug attorney can obtain court permission for retesting the blood or the urine by way of over a dozen different testing methods, depending on the facts of your case. Each lab has its own rules for storage and destruction, so you may have to act quickly before the blood is destroyed. Your blood or urine should be in its sealed container with a barcode or a label with your name and other tracking information clearly displayed. In rare cases, your criminal defense attorney may suggest utilizing DNA testing to verify that the blood testing results are really your results. The lab could have mixed up your vial or your urine cup with someone else's. To identify such a mix-up, you could be asked to allow a buccal swab of saliva to be collected from your mouth under supervised observation. Then it is sealed in a tamper-proof package and sent out by overnight delivery to a qualified DNA testing location. In Part 3, we discuss legal aspects of being charged with DUI drugs, possession of marijuana, or similar felony or misdemeanor crimes in various states.